I am back again with another TBR. I am still not confident if I'll be able to finish it all, but we'll give it a go. Hi, I'm Sneha. I absolutely love reading books, and what I love even more is talking about them. The first book that I've picked up for this month that I've already started reading, We Used to Live Here by Marcus Cleaver. Of course, I'm going to start the month with a thriller, and this one is a consistently top rated one. What I have read about this is a debut novel by this author, and it started off as a story in one of the threads on Reddit. It became so popular, it won some awards, and it finally got converted into a proper novel. I am going to pick up another thriller for this month just to get into the pace of reading again. The Only One Left by Riley Sager. Now, Home Before Dark is the only Riley Sager book I've read before this, and I really enjoyed her style of writing. So I wanted to give this one a try because, again, this is a very highly rated one consistently by almost all reviewers I've read. Getting past the thrillers, now this third book has been on my TBR book pool for a very, very long time. The Inheritance Games. Now, I know that the target audience for this is young adults, but I have been really curious to know how this goes because I've read a lot of reviews about it. I have heard people talk about it. So, I don't know if I'm going to be able to finish the series, but I'm interested to see how this first book goes. The last book and the book that I'm most excited for, 40 Rules of Love by Elif Shafak. If you've seen my earlier videos, you know how I have loved The Island of the Missing Trees, and I felt that I should read more of Elif Shafak this year. And if you've seen my book haul video, you've seen how I came across buying this book, and I thought that I was destined to buy and read this book. I am not necessarily going to be reading in the order that I mentioned the titles in. In fact, I might just skip the queue for this one. However, if you're interested to know my views on these books or any of the books that I've read before, I also do short book review videos that you can find on my channel. So do subscribe to my channel if interested, and I'll see you in the next video.